Bonjour, buongiorno, good morning, or whatever you want to hear. Morning, I'm Daniel, I'm second officer on SuperYachts, and today's video is gonna be about a day in my life. We are currently in the shipyard, winter season preparation, lots of jobs to do, lots of maintenance. Follow the channel if you wanna see all the procedures which is going on the yacht during the winter, summer season, and everything which is going in the backstage. Yeah. Today we already finished with the chain locker, lowering the anchor, and now we are proceeding with the varnishing of these wood areas, railings. Yeah. Keep following me. I will post a video about varnishing procedure. From time to time, I'll be trying to post the contents, kind of educational content about the maintenance on the yacht, which will be very useful for the people who would like to start the yachting, or just casual YouTube subscribers who would like to know what is it, how it's going, all this maintenance of luxury super yachts. Now it's 8 o'clock of the morning, finishing my morning tea, and let's get started. So stay tuned and let's go. So right now we made a little bit of changes in our working plan for today, because we're still not sure about the weather. It's pretty changed rather than we check on the forecast before for the varnishing. So to avoid this, we protect double job making. We proceed with other jobs. As you can see here, our Sikaflex is not really good condition, during any wash downs and water is coming in, which is not good. Maybe we can go leakage somewhere. So now we will replace the Sikaflex, and I think before lunch we will finish that all the way around, and maybe it will be everything good, we will back to work on the varnish, but I'm not sure. So let's go. That was a pretty good lunch. Now we're getting back to the work. We're applying the alcohol first on the area.
Yes, clean first.
Clean first so it doesn't have any residues. Okay.
Slowly. Do not push very fast. This is gonna build up the bubbles.
And after we are finished applying with the finger everywhere, yeah, after applying everywhere the sticker with the finger and soap, we will remove the tape after a certain time, not very long, to get a little bit dry. And any remains we just came on a tick like this, after it's get dry we will just a little bit sand by sanding paper, and it will be looking very fine, very good. Yeah, that's pretty much that's it for today. So now it's, as you can see, 5 o'clock. We are done for today. I know most of you didn't expect that a day in the life working on the yachts. It's not like most of you are thinking about. Yeah, it's not have fun, it's not travel, chilling on a yacht, driving a tender, jet ski, schmetski, all this stuff. But this is the reality, this is the part of the job. Winter season, this is what you need to know, this is what you need to learn, and just get used to and accept it, because this is the part of the job. This is the clearly your responsibilities to take care of the boat, do a maintenance, learn the skills which is required to maintain boat properly. And I just want to say that do not expect easy way from your job. I'm not sure if I said this right, but the point is you should be always ready for the worst scenario. This is what chef prepared for us today. Ramen! Ramen! Woohoo! Arigato! Ni hao. No, ni hao, it's in... Oh! Nice job, man. I can make pictures of you. Maybe it's too much lemon, no?
No. Poquito.